My name's Curtis Ragona. My company is Traders on the Causeway. Knowing that I can call or come in and get all the industry experience that they've got at the counter, I mean, it's amazing. You walk in and it's like everybody that would ever be able to answer a question, whether it be an appliance or whether it be HVAC or a refrigeration system, somebody here knows what is needed, and they're able to provide me relationships they've got, and they've actually referred me to several people I still use to make repairs for me. So it's been a really good relationship. The industry knowledge is unparalleled. You just can't call up some of these online services and get the quick attention and the answers that you need. And it's local. The guys have been here, they're in the community, they're invested, and it's too easy to choose B&B. It's harder to actually not choose B&B. It's as simple sometimes as calling Chris. He'll tell me to take a picture of the model number of the particular device that I might need a part to, and he goes, "Oh yeah, I can get that for you."